So I guess this is what all I'm gonna get. I just need a case of water. He's a leak. And they got a box down there. So in Jamaica, we don't use regular shopping bags, so this is what we have to use. So when I get home and unpack, I'll let you guys see what we bought. Some of this banana, yam, and I got a bread. It's just basically stuff to hold us for a couple of days until we go home. Even though this is my home as well, but it's basically the kids stuff. So this is what I have so far from the haul. It's not much. We went grocery shopping, just junk really, because I don't have much time to cook anyway. And I got us a piece of watermelon. Believe it or not, this costs like $500. Not like, it costs $500 just for a slice. I have butter, sauce. This is a chicken sausage, and this is the college, because I tend to like real butter, Anchor butter, and it's pretty good. I got some eggs. Two water and a little bit of seasoning, two small juices, some soda for the kids. This is a bean. You get 3 of these, jack mackerel, a little package of sugar, soda. This is our second grocery haul since we've been here, and it's only been a couple of days. 2 different kind of bread, wheat, white, crackers, cream crackers, butter, margarine, Skittles for the kiddos, and these are all snacks. And that's what $10,000 gets you. Almost 80 US dollars or so, or maybe a little bit less, maybe 75 or so. There we go. This is Jamaica for you. And I still have a few things in here, which is paper towel. I got bleach, some Swervetel. I got a small thing of detergent powder, more paper towel, and some dishwasher liquid. Some lime off the tree. All right, Rasta man. What are you dancing to?
Like and sleep.
And I like why? You see that?
See you. Everyone else flash dance up there?
No. Okay, guys. So I have some fish slices here. It's called sliced fish, and I have some okra, scallion, thyme, and all that. I'm going to go ahead and make a quick meal for my husband's dinner because I cannot make him eat off the street for some strange reason. So this is what I'm making. And yes, I am in Jamaica, and this is what I'm making to eat with it. All right, guys. So I'm cooking on gas today for a change. I have my fish. I have here some shallots, garlic, bell peppers, tomato, okra, scallion, carrots, and a piece of pepper and some thyme here on the cutting board. So I'm going to just go ahead and throw these in. No particular way, really, but I want to try to put my garlic first. And like I said, this is a quick one. Alright guys, so this is it. Pretty much destroy the fish. Alright guys, this is it. I'm done. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a plate and let you guys see, okay? I made them some fish with okra, banana dumpling, and sweet potatoes, okay?
The water come and put it on the sink.
No.
So we're having some coffee. Alright, so this is my cheese. Oh Lord, you hear that? That's my chicken. And this is my cheese. And I already seasoned it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that covered for a while. You know what? Let me open it a little bit so it doesn't boil over. I'm gonna have some more chicken, and I already took this out, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish frying, and then I'll put the rest back in.